So we have another one right here. This is actually well known in the truck scene as Crespo. Let me see. One of my buddy actually did the body work and he brought it over here to get painted. We're gonna do the same thing with this. We're gonna treat it for any rust. You can see there's a bunch of rust. We're trying to clean it the best we can. Treat it with the rust more. Treat the rust, neutralize it, and then top coat it with the same chassis black. So everything on the bottom is gonna be painted with that chassis black. All the frame, inner side of the cab, up to the wall. We'll probably retrim black all of that. The big Adrian. Let's check it out. Adrian's body working the hood. He got all this side ready for primer. What's up, Adrian? All this side is ready for primer. This has got primer a while back. Dale, Joe. And Big Joe. So Joe. Nah. So we're pretty much gonna shoot the bed. He's gonna go with the Viper Red. So the bed is pretty much ready to get sprayed. Tailgate as well. We had to do some repairs here and there. We are gonna paint it up to there. Reason being, he's gonna actually have a bed liner. So all of this is gonna be accessible. This is gonna get painted, and then all of the inside is gonna get bed liner. So stay tuned for the process. Yeah, dale. Epoxy sealer, just to trap everything. And tailgate is epoxy sealed. We got Adrian. Check it out. So the bed is pretty much painted. I'm a post it, gordo. Hey, there's a name for that, gordo. What is it?
For what?
For what you did?
It's not sexual harassment?
Nah, it's not. I'll just put a little happy face and I'm not gonna edit it.
That's after 16 coats of clear.
Nah. He's lying.
I ran out on this side, so I only put 12. But it still looks alright. That's the man of the hour right there. Wait, it has to be like this?
Yes.
So the other side. Clear coat is still tacky. We ended up putting 16 coats of clear on this one.
That's a big advertisement.
I ran out of clear, so I only put 12 on this side. We're just kidding. I ended up doing 3 good coats on this one. What do you think, Alex? You like it?
That's a jam. Pretty good.
Let the viewers see. Oh, be careful, because that thing wanted to like lift up. Just hold it like that.
That's cool. He's gonna want to do his bed wash. Should look fine.
What do you guys think? drop a comment down below. Juan Carlos. Alrighty. Booth session, I don't even know, maybe 3. We just got done base coating and clear coating, obviously the hood, 2 fenders. We were gonna paint the full doors, but it didn't work out. We weren't able to set them up as far as on stands. The other ones were occupied, but check it out. Really nice off the gun. Hood came out really cool. What do you think, Alex? I think I did 22 coats on this one of clear.
They're gonna believe you? He's getting 3 coats of second.
3 coats.
3 coats, that's what you need. None of that jumping jack shit up.
And you can tell it has that like kind of, I refer to it as like a gel coat look. It's on there, it's nice, it's not overly orange peel, just enough so we can cut and buff this thing real nice. Like I said, we jammed this one, we still got to do the underside. But yeah, it's weird because in the camera it looks on the orange side, but
It's red.
it's red.
Send me the orange in it?
Yeah. No, Alex, it looks blue.
Nah. He's a meat. That's why he's looking like Sarah. Because he's a fucking meat.
It's alright. Yeah, I'm going bald, but it's alright. Mm-hmm. Sign of maturity, guys. Long trip. But yeah, looks pretty good. What do you think, Alex?
I like it.
Get in front of the camera for a little bit.
Nobody knows who I am. I try to be. What's the marshmallow guy?
Marshmallow?
The one that you'll never know who the hell he is?
The guy from the Cool Whip?
Is it?
From the Cool Whip? The dessert? Oh, the Michelin Man.
Is it Michelin Man?
The
The
tires?
singer?
Singer.
Ah.
Oh, the DJ.
DJ, the
Okay.
marshmallow guy. That's. I wanted to be that, but yeah.
Okay, somebody on the comment said, "Where's your fucking mask?"
Hey, no, they don't say that. They don't care.
Oh, really?
This is water-based and viral-based, so you can technically breathe it. Ha, you're right.
Nah, this stuff will get to us.
You look at that place out here.
That's why my hair is kind of getting a little bit up there, sneak peek. But yeah,
No,
not bad though. But put this on your video.
I'm not gonna edit.
Nah, you have to edit. Because then your brother's gonna be like, oh, this thing is raw. And then it sounds weird. What's up, JC? Do they call
Only follower? 18
Alright.
followers. So this video so far 18 followers. So guys,
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Whoever they are, just, you know, drop your location. Where are you guys from? We're curious. We're out here in Ventura County.
don't say where. What if we do anonymous?
Alrighty. Marshmallow, checking out.
Alright guys, so guess what? Hera's not in today, so I guess I'm gonna paint these 2 doors. Not a big deal. Usually a panel that's laying down, it's not that hard to paint, and it being vertical, so I think we got this. Put down some sealer, let it flash out for 15 minutes, and I'll come back with my base. And he should be back by the time we need to clear him. So I sealed him. I can't let the sealer sit for too long. That's the reason he's probably gonna be out for like an hour, hour and a half. So we do need the chemical adhesion, and that's why I'm gonna base him, and then he'll just come in and finish him off with nice 4 coats of polyurethane clear. So stay tuned, guys. So I'm gonna mix my paint. This should be flashing off. I'll come back with my base and start basing. So I'll be back, guys. What is up, guys? So check it out. We had to fix a little bit of thing. Luckily, Hera came back, the man of the gun. But look at his hairline. No, I'm sorry, I knew the style. Right.
It looks good.
You know what they say of the guys that are going bald, they're rich. So Hera does have decent amount of money.
I am rich, not with money, but with family and friends like Alex Carranza that lives.
No, you're not so. I'll make sure I blur that. Check it out. So Hera's gonna top coat it with the second coated base, and then se rompió. He's on my ass for this.
Yeah, is that? No, you're not.
All right, guys. So put you back in the tripod.